believe in me? Do you believe I can start off here, be further and talk to all of you? I can do anything, be anything, create anything, dream anything, become anything, because you believe in me. Do you believe that every single Lamato student can graduate, ready for the work, market and for life? You the better. No matter how high or low our English level are, you the better not give up on us. Trainer and coaches, we need you to believe in us, in our goals. I want to say thank you. I want to say thank you for what you've done for me and for so many others. You has me get to when I'm today. Thank you.